Good morning, Miss Peng. Today, we will gonna report methionine, and let's start with introduction.
What is methionine? Methionine is an essential amino acid, which means the body cannot produce it and it must come from the diet. It contains sulfur in its side chains, making a chemical unique explanation. It is coded by a AUG codon, which is also the universal starch codon in mRNA translation. So methionine also always begins the synthesis of the new protein. Because it contains sulfur, it plays a role in forming other important sulfate compounds inside the body. It is symbolized as meth in protein sequence.
Next.
What are the functions of methionine? Methionine supports protein synthesis, methylation, antioxidants defense, and growth regulation. Explanation number 1. Protein synthesis inspiration. Methionine is the first amino acid placed when cells build protein in bacteria, a slightly modified version, and formula methionine does the same job. Without it, protein production cannot start properly. Number 2, precursor of S-adenosyl methionine. Some is known as the universal metal donor. It donates metal groups negative CH3 to DNA, RNA, proteins, and lipids. This process regulates genes expressions, neurotransmitter function, and even fat metabolism. Number 3, transsulfuration pathway. Thionine, homocysteine, cytine can then form glutathione, a powerful antioxidant that protects cells from free radical damage. Polyamine synthesis. Polyamine, like spermidine, are molecules important for cell growth and survival. Methionine indirectly contributes to their formation.
Next.
Nutritional requirements. Methionine is an essential amino acid, meaning the human body cannot produce it and it must be obtained through the diet. It is found in the protein-rich foods such as meat, fish, eggs, dairy products, nuts, and seeds. The daily requirements for methionine varies depending on age and physiological conditions. For instance, growing children and pregnant women require higher amount due to increased demands for protein synthesis and methylation processes. Structure of methionine. The side chain of methionine consists of a CH2-CH2-S-CH3 structure, which includes a sulfur atom bonded in a thiether group. This thiether bond makes methionine less chemically reactive than cysteine, which contains a more reactive SH thiol group. Due to its extended carbon chain, methionine behaves primarily as a nonpolar amino acid, although the presence of sulfur contributes to its unique chemical properties.
Polarity or properties. Methionine is mostly nonpolar and hydrophobic, but its sulfur gives unique properties. Nonpolar methionine tends to hide inside protein structures away from water. The sulfur atom can undergo oxidation to form methionine sulfoxide, which can be reversed. This acts like a built-in antioxidant repair mechanism inside proteins. Its amphipathic nature makes it versatile in protein folding. Metabolic fate. Methionine cycles through methylation and sulfur pathways. Number 1. Methionine SAM. SAM donates methyl groups to DNA, neurotransmitters, lipid, etc. Number 2. After methyl transfer, SAM to homocysteine. Homocysteine is a key intermediate. Too much homocysteine in blood can cause cardiovascular risk, so it must be recycled. Number 3, two possible pathways. Remethylation. Homocysteine is turned back into methionine. Transsulfuration. Homocysteine becomes cysteine. Number 4, cysteine. Glutathione. Glutathione is the body's mastered antioxidant, crucial for detoxification and oxidative stress defense. In summary, methionine is an essential sulfur-containing amino acid that functions as the initiator of protein synthesis, a precursor to SAM for methylation reactions, and a contributor to the production of cysteine and glutathione through transsulfuration. Its roles in metabolism, antioxidant defense, and gene regulation highlights its importance in both nutrition and cellular functions. That's all. Thank you.